Running a successful restaurant takes passion, hard work, and the right partners. As your dedicated food service distributor, we're right there with you every step of the way. You know us. We're your neighbors, your local experts. We understand your unique needs and the pulse of this community. We're committed to providing the personalized service you've come to expect. But there's a powerful force behind our local commitment. We're proud to be powered by UniPro. What does that mean for you? It means greater buying power, giving you competitive pricing on the products you need most. It means access to an unrivaled breadth of line, featuring both national and exclusive brands, so you can source everything from specialty items to everyday essentials. It's your competitive edge in the marketplace. You'll benefit from our service and flexibility, wide product selection, vast resources, local expertise, quality assurance, and much more. In short, being powered by UniPro allows us to compete with any industry player. Combined with our extensive network, we provide unparalleled reach and breadth, agility, and the personal touch of a trusted local partner. We're dedicated to serving you better, faster, and more efficiently,